how's it going? Welcome to Cars in Detail. On this episode we'll be completing a maintenance wash on this daily driven BMW M4. Just taking you through the steps to complete a safe wash, ensuring we don't inflict any swirls or scratches on the paintwork. Firstly, I'd like to say thank you to James from Lux GT for allowing me to use his premises today. So yeah, let's get started. The first area you want to begin with are the wheels. These are normally the dirtiest parts of the car, so it's very important you begin here, as anything you do may splash up onto the bodywork. I've just given the wheel a quick jet wash over and also gone into the arches with the jet wash to get rid of any muck that may have built up. So the first area you want to start with are the tyres. I've got some tyre and rubber cleaner here, but any kind of APC will do. If you just spray that onto the sidewall, get a brush, spray that onto there, and then just give them a good going over. And then just jet wash them off. Once that's complete, you want to move on to actually cleaning the wheel. So I've got a bucket of warm water here with car shampoo in and a microfiber brush. I've also got a snow foam lance. So the process I take is to snow foam the wheel first, let that sit for about a minute or two, and then go ahead and continue using the microfiber brush to clean the wheel. The first area of the wheel I clean, the barrels. So what you want to do is make sure that the microfiber brush is getting right to the end of the barrels. Go all the way around the wheel. Ensure to dip back regularly into the bucket, and then go around the brake caliper, and then finally onto the actual front face and spokes of the wheel, making sure to get behind each spoke as well. Once the wheels are clean, you want to move on to the pre-clean stage. So you want to first of all give the car a jet wash to remove any loose debris. Then get a snow foam lance with some pH neutral snow foam. Give that a coating onto the car and leave to dwell for around about 5 minutes. Just ensure it doesn't dry, that's quite important. Then go ahead and give that jet wash back off. Once you've completed the pre-clean stage, it's time to move on to hand washing. So I have 2 buckets here, both filled with warm water, one for wash, one for rinse. So I have some car shampoo and a long-haired mitt. Personally, I prefer the long-haired mitt over the microfiber mitt. If you have any grit still remaining on the car, it gets trapped inside the pile rather than being dragged across the paintwork. So that's really good. In terms of the cleaning process, I start with the top, do the roof and the windows. I then go on to the second part of the car, so this is the bonnet, the boot, the tops of the doors. I then move on to the last final bottom part of the car, which is normally where you'd find most of the dirt, and then kind of clean that as a last stage. hand washing, it's time to move on to drying. I have a thick microfiber towel here with a detail spray. And it's great to use a detail spray as it aids in the drying process. So I spray this onto the towel and wipe over the bodywork. Also, do not forget anything like your door shuts or boot shuts or anything like that. Now onto the final step, tyre shine. So just spray onto the applicator and wipe over the tyre. So there you have it, all clean again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.